Welcome back to Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen. I just share Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making healthy and easy yummy breakfast. Let's start. Here I have my eggs too. Added my black pepper and some garlic. A pinch of salt. Okay, I'm using groundnut oil. Let's fry our egg. Eggs looks yummy. Now here I have my bread, that's crispy bread, and the name is wasa bread, a very healthy one. You know me and my peanut butter, so let's go. My egg is ready. Looks yummy already. With some fruits, I'm using strawberries. Yeah, so I'm using sobolo leaves. Yeah, for my tea. Food is ready. Breakfast is ready. Enjoy with love.
Bless you, Ahombrasia Kitchen. We love you. Mwah. Okay, thank you. Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu. Abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen. Obetimi asho spellings ni ye. Na ade a omo ye and same. Onwa enuane ahodo any local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidin da ena omo noa e page. So make us say uye bema uye student uye school mu anasa onya nware ye eja esujani unyo obi no aduane ama obetimi akọ no YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amo ano an kama na yenkoi na Bless you, Ahombrasia Kitchen. We love you. Mwah. Okay, thank you. Bless you, Ahombrasia Kitchen.